Hello, this is Ty Darby. How are you? I hope you're doing well. I have an awesome wing that I made awesomer by putting 2 motors on it. Two motors. For Mr. Hop. Yeah, okay. So, shh, it's a secret.
Chris Hopper, aka the Dutch Viking. Happy birthday to you from me, Jody Spriggs, Cole from Ninja Rap, and especially Ruben, who has given you this Twinch as a replacement of the one you lost at NAFPV last year. This was an idea born from Jody Spriggs, who knew about your loss and wanted to do something for an awesome guy in the FPV community. Ruben donated the wing, Colt ninja wrapped it, and I volunteered to build it, of course, because I love to build. But I had to put the FPV Aviator's spin on it, the Spin Twin. So what you have here is the world's only twin motor SweepWings Flinch. Happy birthday to you. All of these people, all of the other people on the cover of the wing helped to make it happen by donating parts and or money. And a special surprise on the back is this is okay, but the real money maker is this right here. This is probably one of the best wraps Ninja Wraps has ever done. The DutchViking Twin Flinch, also known as the Twinch. Oh, this is so nerve-wracking. I hate maidens. I love them and I hate them. Oh God, everyone say a Hail Mary, okay? Well, that's not, we gotta aim that down more. Now the wind picks up, right? Hopper, I am so sorry if this goes south. I really am. I tried my best. That is a successful maiden of the Twinch. The one and only. There is no other wing in the world right now that is this. That is this. This is it. There's nothing like it. And it's not, what sucks is it ain't mine. It belongs to this guy, the DutchViking. Happy birthday, man. Happy birthday from me and all those guys.